Welcome to another training session video. This week is going to be slightly easier from the intensity standpoint in that this week's focus is going to primarily revolve around technique. Technique as it relates to cadence. And because of this, please make sure that erg mode is on for this week's workout. And I repeat again, erg mode should be on if you have erg mode enabled or you have an erg mode compatible smart trainer. It is okay to not have erg mode on, as the instructions in the workout will alternate between differing cadences and will be instructed accordingly. The focus here will revolve around the high intensity sessions or the higher intensity sessions to where the cadence is going to be fairly low, between 55 and 60 RPM. We'll start out at 60 RPM for the first two intervals, and then the second two intervals will go at 55 RPM. The recovery intervals, which is at a low aerobic intensity, are going to be at high cadence, between 95 and 100, with the first two at 95 RPM and the second two at 100 RPM. It's important to remain seated for all of these intervals regardless of power or recovery. In the power intervals, you really want to make sure that you want to utilize the entirety of the stroke of the pedal, which includes the backside to where you're lifting your foot up as part of the return to where then you apply the downward pressure. And likewise for the recovery intervals to where you want to make sure you're not bouncing up and down or side by side to make sure that you maintain that cadence. It's important to make sure that your core is stable throughout this workout. So do what you can to maintain stability with your abs and with your back as well. It's fairly straightforward for this workout. There's no major surprises, other than it gets progressively more difficult as we move along through the hour. And it's important to really focus in on technique for this week. That's all I have here today. And if you like the content of this video, please go and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to go and give this video a thumbs up, click on the like button. And if you want to hear more about where I post videos every week, if not a little bit more often, on other subjects relating to training in triathlon and other things and other hot topics in the endurance exercise and endurance sport world, please click on the bell button and you'll get notifications to all the videos that I post. And with that, I'll see you in the next one.